Hey guys, Tony here. I hope you're doing well. I'm on vacation. I'm down in Punta Cana, the Dominican Republic. Here's a little preview of the palm trees. I'm on the balcony of my hotel room at the resort. But guys, I want to talk about the crypto market. This is going to be a quick video, but I want to talk about the political aspect, the adoption, and the macro factors which affect all assets, of course. First, let's talk about the political. Last night you had the Crypto for Harris movement or town hall live stream. A lot of Democrats were on there, Mark Cuban and a lot of big names. And it was really positive, guys. The main takeaway was Chuck Schumer said he's ready to push crypto legislation through. I believe him because he voted to repeal SOP 121. He turned against Elizabeth Warren months back, if you guys recall, him in the Senate along with Nancy Pelosi and others. That really surprised me, folks. And I know people are going to hate and say, you know, because there's a political aspect to this. They don't like Chuck Schumer. They don't like Democrats. My goal, as I've been stating, is I want crypto to be a nonpartisan issue. It shouldn't be a Republican or Democrat issue. Now, we know Elizabeth Warren poisoned the well. She started all this nonsense. But the fact that Chuck Schumer is going against her is very positive and bullish, folks. And I'm optimistic they can get something done. Now, the caveat, and I wrote it in my newsletter as well, show me, don't tell me. I'm tired of talk. I want to hear from Kamala Harris. I want to hear what her crypto policy is. No one has heard jack from her. So while I'm optimistic about what Chuck Schumer said and what he did with SOP 121 and the repeal vote, I need to see more. So we're seeing some positive signs, but make no mistake about it. If these Democrats try to play games here and do the whole smoke and mirrors move, they're going to get destroyed in the elections. So don't get me wrong, folks. I know some of you are going to say, why are you talking about this in Democrats? I have to, because we live in the United States and we need both parties to support crypto to get the full unlock of all the benefits and capital and much more. So it can't, the Republicans alone can't do it. That's why Patrick McHenry had the Democrats join him in repealing SOP 121, in passing the FIT21 bill. It can't just be Republicans. So those of you guys who are, I hate Kamala Harris, I hate Democrats. I hear you. That's not what we're talking about here. Please separate the other issues from crypto. We need crypto to be a nonpartisan issue. So I think we can get something done, but we need Kamala Harris to show what she wants to do. If not, these, like I said, Democrats are going to get destroyed in the elections. Now, second, guys, we got some huge adoption news. Through SEC filings, we saw Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley state they own millions, hundreds of millions of dollars in Bitcoin ETFs. And just, I think it was last week, Morgan Stanley opened up the trading of Bitcoin ETFs to their clients, and their 15,000 wealth advisors could then, pitch it to their clients. So guys, we are seeing significant adoption despite the market moving sideways. We're in the boring zone, as macro investor Rob Powell would say. We're waiting for the banana zone, as he would say as well. So right now, guys, we just have to be patient, because it's the common saying of sell in May and go away, because nothing special happens in the summertime. Now, seasonality wise, come September is when I think we start to see the market really moving up significantly, and the meat and potatoes of that is going to happen in October, in my opinion. So guys, I'm bullish. I'm not bearish. We are still in the bull market, but this is the cool down phase and the summer lull, and we got to be patient. I do think markets could correct further as the rate cuts come in September, and that could be the buy the rumor, sell the news event on the rates. Then I think we have our final run up, guys, and then a bigger correction, in my opinion. But I could be wrong. I'm going off of history and how rate cuts and the Fed pivot have treated, or how the markets have reacted to that, and we've seen significant pullbacks. But we are in a different time where Janet Yellen is doing quantitative easing 2.0. They're pulling all kinds of financial levers. From the macro standpoint, liquidity is on the rise. You look at the M2 money supply globally, guys, it's breaking out. Not to mention the United States, of course, specifically, it's breaking out. So I am bullish. We're seeing movement on the political side, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video. We're seeing adoption by big institutions on Wall Street, and we got global liquidity on the rise, which is good for all assets, crypto, real estate, stocks, and so forth. Now, you may say, well, why do we need to invest in crypto? Well, it's like billionaire Paul Tudor Jones said, Bitcoin and crypto is the fastest horse in the race. Go look it up. He said it in 2020. He saw the writing on the wall with the amount of liquidity and money printing they were doing. And the real estate can't move as fast as crypto. Stocks can't do it. Don't get me wrong, stocks would be the second after crypto, but nothing moves like crypto. Nothing can give you 100x, even like in a month, like crypto. So guys, I'm still bullish. I just wanted to make this quick update, and we're going to keep putting the pressure on Kamala Harris and the Democrats to show us, don't tell us. Yeah, doing that live stream town hall last night was great. I like what Chuck Schumer had to say, but show us. All right, guys, I'm going to get back to enjoying my vacation here. Maybe hit the pool again and hit the beach again. But enjoy the rest of your summer. Take it easy. Markets will start ripping soon enough. Liquidity is coming back. Rate cuts are coming. So I'll talk to you guys later. Leave your thoughts and comments below.